I bought this like 15, 20 years ago. Used it for a very small amount of time. And it's been sitting in a shed at my parents' place ever since. And I'm going to try and get it running. I guess we should see if it even turns over. Let's see if it's free or not.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, the motor turns over. That's good. It's not stuck. That's good. It does have oil. It doesn't look that bad. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Doesn't smell like gas. Doesn't seem like it has water in it, so that's good. Next, let's check the fuel. Ooh. Let's see. It might run if I just add some fresh in there. Alright. Doesn't look bad. Does not look bad. I'm going to wedge it on here. Enough that I can see we're getting a spark. Be good. Oh yeah. That's a good spark. Alright, so we've got spark. And the engine has oil. And make sure you torque this to just about right. Sorry about that. Let's put some fresh oil in it, or fresh oil. Let's put some fresh gas in and see what we get. Okay. Fresh gas in. This has spark. There's the throttle instructions here. It's wide open. Stop. Wide open. Oh, we got a primer bulb. Let's see if the primer bulb works. I can feel it like it is. 3 times. Push to prime 3 times. Let's give it a whirl. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, well, maybe we have some carb issues. Okay, so this isn't any... This looks about the same as it did when I checked it the first time. So I'm going to say that the carburetor's not pushing gas through here. So, smelling this up close, it really doesn't smell that much like gas. I'm thinking there's a lot of water in here, and this gas just doesn't want to burn. So, I'm going to clean it up, clean this tank up, then we're going to reassemble everything and give it another shot and see where we're at.
So right now we have the tank right now, and that is gonna
Okay.
clean it up.
Okay, step back a little bit. Tell that one. That one should tell the other one. That one should tell that one. Okay.
Good. Wait, I need to make sure all these nails are tightened.
Okay. Screw it out there. Alright, I think we're ready for reassembly.
Reassembly will begin.
Reassembly will begin,
In
indeed.
3,
So,
2, 1.
3, 2, 1. I think I'm going to try and
Assembly begin.
replicate how this came apart. Ish. And then this guy was just kind of hanging out on here ish. Right? And then we slide this fella on.
Reassembly has begun.
Reassembly has begun. Okay, shore that up a little bit. And then this. Did that get hooked on this side at all? On anything? I don't think that hooks on anything. I think it just. I'm just going to set it there just to see. Bring these springs back around. Which way did these go on? Does anybody remember which way they went on?
It might explode, so we need these.
Oh, they hooked in there. Okay. I think I remember now. That. And then this guy went in here like that. Okay. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Yes. We got it. That is awesome. This thing hasn't run in like 15 years. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. Alright, let's give it another couple more primes there. You alright, Bean? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
See if they'll start again. It runs. We have the water coming through just on the hose pressure. Now we're gonna try and get it started here. See what we get. Can't remember if you had to keep this one open or not. A little more fuel. say it works.
So, what was that?
It probably is the O-ring here or something.
Daddy, did
There's
you
a
just
massive-
clean this all off?
Yeah, I just cleaned that block off.
Block?
Yep. So we sprayed, obviously, before, after.
Ta-da.
It's working pretty good. Massive leak out the side of the actual spray gun though, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But say for this particular one, this is a victory. It runs. Awesome. Yeah, so I am pretty happy with that. Yeah, if you guys stuck around this long, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.